How much money do you need to start a dropshipping business in 2026? The answer is under $100 to have a store up and ready to rock. And then we recommend about $30 a day in ads. So $900 in the first month in ads. So the real answer, you can have an e-commerce store up and running in the next 30 days for about $1,000. In this video, I'm going to break down every line item so you can see exactly where the money goes, where you'd be wasting it, and what you actually get for it. Most people think you need $10,000 to start a real e-commerce business, and honestly, they're wrong. The setup is under $100, and no, that's not a typo. The real money is your ad budget, and we'll get to that a little bit later in the video. And the whole thing can spit out cash flow for you within months. So you're going to need a domain. It's going to be about $12. I like to buy these on Namecheap. You can use GoDaddy. You can use Shopify. You can use whatever you want, but it's going to cost you about $12 for you to get yourstore.com. 2, you're going to need Shopify. This is where we build our e-commerce store. This is the platform on which you will host your e-commerce store front end and back end. And the best part is if you go through our link, dropshipbreakthru.com/Shopify, you can start for just $1 a month for your first 3 months. Now you may want a theme. I don't think you need one. I started my first store with a free theme from the Shopify store, but you can buy one, and those can range anywhere from $300 to $500. But I'm going to put a big 0 on this receipt because you don't need one. Also, if you decide to join Dropship Breakthru, we buy you a copy of the Superstore theme from out of the sandbox. Again, 0 cost to you. We're giving you the theme that we teach on here in our course. Next, you will need Google Workspace. Now, this is about $6 a month, and this is for a real business email. The last thing you want to do is open your store with an email that says mystore@gmail.com, something unprofessional. You want info or hello@mystore.com, and you can do that with Google Workspace for about $6 a month. The next thing you'll need is a business phone number. Now, this is around $30 a month, and yes, you need this in my opinion. The same reason you want a Google Workspace for a real business email, you want a real phone number. Ideally, something that looks more professional. You're going to get those with a company like Grasshopper or OpenPhone. Now, again, we have relationships with each of these that might get you a better deal. Dropshipbreakthru.com/Grasshopper, dropshipbreakthru.com/OpenPhone, now called Kuo. This is going to be about $30 a month, and you absolutely need this. This is going to separate your line for your business. You'll have a whole platform on which you can get voicemails, you can text customers. I recommend Kuo, dropshipbreakthru.com/OpenPhone, and again, this will be about $30 a month. You're also going to want some branding, whether that's a logo, whether that's some homepage images, or other branding for your site. This you can do, if you want to pay for it, through Fiverr for about $25 to $50, might get everything that you need done. Or honestly, at this point, I would just use Grok or ChatGPT or Claude or whatever your LLM du jour is. For me, it's Grok for visual stuff like this, or Nano Banana from Google. There are so many options out there nowadays that can make this stuff for you for free that you don't really need to pay for it. And the last one we get asked about a lot is business entity, and I would say this is totally optional. So you can start as a sole proprietor for $0. You don't need a business entity. If you want an LLC, go get one. For me in Wisconsin, I can set one up for about $125. Check your state. And certainly don't go pay one of those entities that's going to overcharge you to set up an LLC. They are typically quite easy to set up yourself. This is not legal or financial advice. So as you can see, the lean setup is under $100 to be live with a real store. From there, you're going to call suppliers and upload products. Again, all of that you can do for under $100 and have a store ready to go, ready to make sales. The setup is cheap. The real money is in your Google Ads budget. So we recommend $30 a day in ad spend right out of the gates. This is going to be about $900 a month. Your first sales are coming from Google Shopping. This is the most important piece of your business at this stage. So why Google Shopping? When somebody's in the market for a $3,000 product, they're not scrolling TikTok looking for it. They're Googling it. In fact, they're not going to Amazon either. They're Googling it. Google Shopping ads put your product image, your price, and your store right in front of them when they search. I'm positive if you're watching this video that you've gone to Google and searched something and seen shopping ads and in fact clicked on those. Somebody's paying to put those shopping ads in front of you. This is the same thing that we're going to do, and that's demand capture. We're not going on TikTok, we're not going on Facebook and trying to generate demand, trying to get someone interested in our product. We're showing up when they're already ready to buy. You're not interrupting them while they scroll. You're simply showing up when they've typed in a keyword that you've deemed necessary to show up in front of them in Google Ads. If somebody's searching pellet grill, maybe we don't want to show up. If somebody's searching a very specific model that we carry, absolutely, we want to show up in Google Shopping ads. And this is the entire reason that high-ticket dropshipping works so well. Now, Google's going to give you some coupons here too to actually lower your effective costs. So They'll give you a coupon that is either spend $150, we'll give you $150, or spend $500, get $500, spend $1,500, get $1,500. I think they have a spend $3,000, get $1,500 right now. They've got all sorts of levels. You're going to want to make sure you can actually spend that amount of money in the time limit they give you so that you actually get the bonus. You got to spend the whole thing. Now, hopefully your first couple of sales come within that first $900. And then you roll that profit back into ads and you start the snowball going. Quick caveat on the $30 a day. If you launch with only 1 to 3 brands, you're actually going to find it hard to spend $30 a day. Whereas if you launch with 4+ brands, you're going to find it super easy to spend that, especially if you add in Facebook remarketing or eventually your Google remarketing gets going. I would recommend launching with 3 to 4 brands so that you have an opportunity to spend that $30, get real traffic to your site, and hopefully start making some sales right out of the gates. But you don't need $1,000 on day one. There's an actual order of operations here, right? So week 1 to 2, that's the first $100 that buys you the store, the email, the phone, the basics, enough to start calling suppliers and getting approved. Week 2 to 4, you're going to be uploading products. This is the bulk of the work in an e-commerce store, is actually like uploading the products, building out collections, adjusting the size of your photos and the copy on the product pages and structuring it the way that you want your website to look. Then hopefully by week 4, you're ready to run ads, right? And that's when the $30 a day starts. So phase it. $100 is the first almost 4 weeks. If you have $100 and you have time, then you can build a store that'll be ready to rock and roll 30 days from now. Then you can start saying, okay, over the next 30 days after that, that's when I'm going to spend $30 a day on ads. You don't need all the money on day one, but you do need to plan for the ad spend because that's where the actual sales are going to come from. No one's just going to randomly land on your website and buy something. You're going to have to run ads in the beginning. You don't need to spend money on a theme, as I mentioned before, right? We're going to give you the Superstore theme for free when you join Dropship Breakthru, or alternatively, just use a free theme from Shopify. They are absolutely good enough to make sales in the beginning. You don't need a custom logo. Fiverr or AI can handle this absolutely for free. I would recommend just using AI. It can make you a fantastic logo for absolutely free. You absolutely don't need a $6,000 mentor or course that promises Lambo money in 90 days or that you can live in Dubai. None of that matters. You don't need any of that. In fact, you can learn a lot of this stuff for free on the internet if you want to take the time to go piece it all together. John and I have put together everything we've learned in the last 10 years, each of us, so 20 years total, into Dropship Breakthru. We've given you hundreds of videos to hopefully help you, weave your way around, not have to go search YouTube for every little piece or ask AI, God forbid. Hopefully help you avoid some of the potholes along the way. But you don't need a $6,000, $10,000 course. We've seen a lot of ads online of people telling you could live in Dubai or you could be driving a Lambo in the next 4 months. Or just give us $10,000 and we'll build an AI store for you. All of that's bullshit. You don't need any of that. And you definitely don't need a stack of fancy apps. I've certainly seen people recommending you need a million different apps. You don't need that. Are there apps you need? Absolutely, but they're cheap. They're like $5 to $10 a month. And that's so you can run your ads using Process. I would recommend the Rewind app so that you can rewind your store in case you make a terrible mistake. Again, all of these are pretty cheap and that's really all you need out of the gates. This is the part nobody talks about. Running a dropshipping store teaches you the most expensive, highest paying skills in the digital economy. Google Ads, bidding, keywords, account structure, SEO, what actually ranks and how to rank it. Conversion rate optimization. This is what gets people to buy. Copywriting, what makes people click and pay. Email marketing, how to make money from your list automatically, and basic coding, at least enough to fix the small stuff yourself. These are skills that pay $80,000 to $150,000 plus in any tech company. Really in any company out there, they need people that do this stuff. And you're learning this while making money running your business. Worst case scenario, the store doesn't pop and you walk away with skills that pay 6-figure jobs. Best case, you have a real business and the skills. Let's compare under $1,000 in 30 days to any other real business. If you wanted to open a franchise, you're going to spend $100,000 to $500,000 on the franchise fee and building out what needs to be built out. If you wanted to start a restaurant, you're probably spending $100,000 plus. Thinking about starting a brick and mortar store, probably going to need $50,000 plus. How about a food truck? $30,000. If you wanted to launch your own brand on Amazon FBA or from scratch, you're still going to need $5,000 to $15,000 and months of research and sample rounds with the manufacturers and the initial order to hit minimums, branding, packaging, photography, certifications, then launch and hope somebody buys from you. And here's the thing. We guarantee that if you do the work, and by do the work, I mean actually run ads for 10 months, build the store, add suppliers, all of this is in our terms of service, but we guarantee that if you do the work, you will hit $100,000 in sales in your first year, or we'll refund your course purchase. That's not a guess. That's a contractual promise. You can read all about it in our terms of service. And the kicker, cash flow is king. A dropshipping store spits out profit every single month once you're rolling. Most other businesses take 1 to 3 years before they pay you anything. The store is the entry point, not the destination. So your goal is to own the market. And I've talked about it in this video right here. Once you do, you know your customers, their wants, their needs, what's missing from the marketplace, what they complain about on the phone to you. You have the traffic, you have the authority. That's when you launch your own branded products. You give them what they've been telling you they want. That's how a sub $1,000 store eventually turns into a brand we're selling for 6 or 7 figures. I covered this entire play in this video, Retail First, Then Brand episode. There's a card in the corner, or click up here if you want to watch the story. Your dropshipping store is the cheapest research and development lab you'll ever build. So the real answer to the title of this video is under $100 to set up, about $900 for your first month of ads, and under $1,000 total to be running a real e-commerce business in the next 30 days. That's less than a lot of car payments nowadays. And if you do the work, plenty of our students are covering their own car payment with their dropshipping profits within months. Individual results varied based on effort and execution you put in, blah, 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 legal jargon here. But do the work, and this can work for you. This is why we have a $100,000 guarantee. Click the link in the description. Watch our free training. Inside, I'll walk you through exactly how to find the right niche and how to build a store the right way. The Shopify dollar deal and the free Superstore theme alone pay for a big chunk of the course cost, so start small, stay disciplined, grow. You got this.